Here are the two identities that we had for this section. B to the log base b of x is equal to x, and log base b of b to the x is equal to x. Those two identities are something that we had in this section. We're going to use them to prove some properties of identities in the next section. But what I want to write for you here is the natural log equivalent. What if the base for this identity right here is base e instead of base b? What would it look like? Well, it would look like e to the logarithm base e of x, which we write as natural log x, is equal to x. And over here, this one would be natural log base e of e to the x is equal to x. So if I write each of these identities in terms of natural logarithms, they look like this. Well, look, here's a postage stamp from Nicaragua about the 10 formulas in mathematics that changed the world. And right here, I'm going to go in close up on this in a minute so you can see it, is e to the natural log n is equal to n. Let's take a look. So here's my postage stamp, and you can see right here is that identity written a little differently. We write it with x, they wrote it with n, but look, it's right on a postage stamp. E to the natural log n is equal to n. And that's due to the mathematician Napier, who is the person that invented logarithms. So these identities and things with logarithms, pretty important. I mean, it kind of goes without saying that if it's on a postage stamp, it must be important.